Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize mortgage rates with Quicken Loans, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by gathering all necessary financial documents. Collect recent pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. Check your credit score to understand where you stand. Review your credit report for any errors or discrepancies. Pay down existing debts if possible to improve your credit utilization ratio. Use the Quicken Loans online estimator to get an initial quote on mortgage rates. Explore different loan types available, such as fixed rate and adjustable rate mortgages. Consider the term length of the loan that fits your needs best. Use Quicken Loans mortgage calculator to evaluate monthly payments based on various rates. Submit a complete application through Quicken Loans online platform. Provide any additional documents requested by the lender promptly. Stay in touch with your loan officer for updates. Monitor market trends and interest rates regularly. Lock in your mortgage rate when you find a favorable deal. Review the loan estimate carefully to ensure all terms meet your expectations. Prepare for the closing process by organizing your funds for closing costs. Attend the closing meeting and sign all necessary paperwork. After closing, maintain communication with Quicken Loans for any future inquiries or adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.